morning everyone who are watching our YouTube video. Today I am going to talk about women and shaping careers in the age of AI. Now I invite Himanshu to continue this video.
First of all, I will explain that what is the human resources management. Human resources management is the efficient and effective utilization of human resources to achieve goals and organization. Next, we look the generic purpose of human resources management. The generic purpose of human resources management is to gives the maximum individual contribution to organizational success. Human resources management is important to organization because employee development, performance management, employee relations, strategic planning, workforce planning. Next, we move to functions of human resources management: job design, job analysis, human resources planning, recruitment.
Nowadays, we use artificial intelligence for all our activities. For tools like Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp, etc. AI is like a super smart thing that helps us in amazing ways. It's a mix of clever math and super fast computers that can act like humans. It's area making things easier and sometimes even feels like magic. AI is big in lots of areas like healthcare, finance, schools and fun stuff like movies. The coolest thing, it learns by itself unlike normal programs. This means it can solve tough problems, find hidden patterns in tons of information and tell us things we never knew before. In business, AI is a big deal too. It's making work easier by doing repetitive jobs, letting people focus on more fun and creative stuff. From chatbots talking to us online to smart predictions helping companies, artificial intelligence is changing how business works. Now let's move how artificial intelligence has changed the way we work. New jobs like AI, ethicists and trainers are becoming important in AI, machine learning and data science. Healthcare is changing too with the growing need for health informatics specialists. But there are challenges. Jobs is manufacturing and customer service that follow routines might be at risk from automation. Professionals need to adapt and learn new skills to work with AI. For example, jobs related to autonomous vehicles need creativity and problem solving. Our guide through these changes is education and learning new skills. In science and technology, it's crucial to keep learning and being good at soft skills like adaptability and communication is more important. Hybrid roles combine technical and people skills are becoming very valuable. The era of AI is a bit of a hustle. Some jobs are growing a lot, while others are changing completely. Lifelong learning and flexibility are our guide, helping us make the most of opportunities. The key to success in these technological changes is creating a good partnership between artificial intelligence and human creativity.
In the age of artificial intelligence, new jobs are growing fast. Let's look at some important ones. First one is AI and machines learning engineers. They make machines smart by creating algorithms. They are needed in various fields like making robot for mechanisms, self-driving car, traveling agents and more. The second one is data scientists. These experts help make sense of big amount of data. They are in demand across the different industry because they can analyze the complex data. The third one is health informatical specialized. People in these jobs use AI to manage health information. They play a role in things like personalized medicine and use divisions like variable for health. The fourth one is robotical engineers. These engineers design smart robots. AI helps robots to do more industries like manufacturing and healthcare. In addition to that, cybersecurity analysis. With AI, these protects the digital systems from cyber threats. They use AI to find and respond to different types of online threats.
This job may face difficulties, but it's critical to adjust by picking up new skills and looking into chances in the changing about market that technology and artificial intelligence are shaping. Thank you.